One of the most important and effective ways for your practice to communicate with new leads and existing patients alike is through text messages. But if you want to ensure your messages are delivered quickly and reliably, you need to register for A2P 10DLC. Now, this is short for Application to Person 10-digit long codes. It's a service that provides businesses with mobile numbers that are dedicated to sending text messages. These numbers allow businesses to send messages with a higher delivery rate and faster response time. The registration is important for your practice because it will help to increase your customer engagement and trust. By sending messages from a dedicated number, your customers and leads will know that messages are coming from a trusted source and will be more likely to respond. Registration is a simple process that can have a huge impact on your overall engagement and ROI. Now, to get started, we've provided a form below with all of the information that we need to register your account. Now, one thing to note, registration is only available to our clients who have transitioned to Advanced Leads 2.0. So if you have yet to make this switch, or if you're unsure if you've made this switch, let us know in the form below and your client services rep will reach out with additional information.